Do you overreact to small things? Feel abandoned too easily? Crave validation but push people away? That may not be your adult self reacting. It may be your inner child. In this video, you'll learn what the inner child really is from a psychological and neuroscience perspective and how to begin healing it safely and effectively. What is the inner child? Your inner child is the emotional memory of your early experiences. It's the part of your brain shaped during childhood. When you were learning, am I safe? Am I loved? Do my needs matter? Is it okay to express emotions? Those early experiences wired your nervous system. If love was inconsistent, if emotions were ignored, if you had to grow up too fast, your brain adapted for survival. But survival patterns can become adult struggles. Signs your inner child is wounded. Fear of abandonment, people-pleasing, emotional overreactions, difficulty trusting, chronic self-criticism, feeling not enough. These are not weaknesses. They are protective adaptations. How to heal your inner child. 1. Build emotional awareness. You cannot heal what you ignore. When you feel triggered, pause and ask, what age does this feeling belong to? Often, your reaction is younger than the situation. Awareness creates separation. Separation creates control. 2. Validate the emotion. Most of us were told, stop crying. Don't be dramatic. You're too sensitive. Healing begins with validation. Instead of judging yourself, say, it makes sense I feel this way. Validation calms the nervous system. 3. Reparent yourself. Reparenting means giving yourself what you didn't receive. Safety, encouragement, structure, compassion. Speak to yourself the way a healthy parent would. I'm here. You're safe. You're allowed to feel this. Your brain rewires through repetition. 4. Create safe routines. The inner child heals in safety. Regular sleep, healthy boundaries, consistent habits. Predictability tells your nervous system the danger is over. 5. Process, don't suppress. Unprocessed emotions stay stored in the body. Write, talk, pray, reflect. Expression releases emotional charge. Suppression strengthens it. 6. Practice self-compassion daily. Self-compassion is not weakness, it is nervous system repair. Research shows self-compassion reduces cortisol and increases emotional resilience. Speak kindly to yourself, especially when you fail. Important truth. Healing your inner child does not mean blaming your parents. It means understanding your patterns, taking responsibility for your growth, and choosing awareness over autopilot. Signs you're healing. You react less impulsively. You set healthier boundaries. You feel safer being yourself. You stop chasing validation. You treat yourself with respect. Healing is not dramatic. It is consistent. To summarize, your inner child is emotional memory. Triggers are protective patterns. Validation calms the nervous system. Reparenting builds self-trust. Consistency creates safety. Compassion rewires the brain. You were not broken. You adapted. And now you are strong enough to heal. If this helped you, like this video. Subscribe to PsycAcademy for brain-based healing tools. Comment, what message did your younger self need to hear? Healing is not becoming someone new. It's becoming who you were meant to be.